You're listening to an African Elements top news story for July 7th, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. Justice Denied: The Fight for Transparency in Jabari Peoples Shooting by Darius Spearman. The community in Homewood, Alabama, and beyond is reeling from the fatal shooting of 18-year-old Jabari Peoples by a police officer. This tragic event unfolded last week at the Homewood Soccer Park. The incident has ignited a fierce demand for answers and transparency, especially as the official narrative clashes sharply with the family's account. The Homewood Police Department claims that Peoples resisted arrest and reached for a gun during a struggle with the officer. He then reportedly broke away to retrieve a handgun, which led the officer to fire. However, the Peoples family's legal team strongly disputes this version of events. Attorney Leroy Maxwell Jr., representing the family, stated that preliminary findings from an investigator indicate Peoples was shot once in the back. Furthermore, Maxwell reported that an eyewitness account suggests Peoples did not possess a weapon when the officer approached him. The family's legal team believes the police's statement does not add up. The Alabama law enforcement agency, ALEA, has denied the Peoples family's request for the release of body camera footage related to Jabari's fatal shooting. ALEA stated that releasing the video could impact an ongoing investigation. Alabama's state Supreme Court has classified body camera and dash camera videos as investigative materials exempt from public records disclosure. Police departments therefore have full discretion to release or withhold footage. A state law passed in 2023 allows individuals depicted in footage to petition to view it, but does not guarantee release. The Peoples family faces a difficult path to access the evidence they believe will shed light on their loved one's death. Despite these hurdles, families in Alabama have pursued legal avenues beyond public outcry. Some have filed civil litigation against law enforcement agencies to obtain footage. The decision by ALEA to withhold the footage has ignited significant public outcry in the Birmingham metro area. The Peoples family and the broader community are actively rallying for justice and transparency. The demand for body camera release and calls for accountability from state representatives and family lawyers underscore the community's desire for transparency and justice. A vigil was held at the Homewood Soccer Park to honor Jabari Peoples and to demand answers. The family also shared that they were not contacted by law enforcement the night Jabari was killed, stating they were denied basic dignity. Chad Chavez of Citizens for Criminal Justice Reform has stated that body cameras were sold to the public as a transparency tool, but that police departments often withhold footage, leading to a lack of clarity and trust. The case of Jabari Peoples is a stark reminder of the ongoing struggle for accountability and transparency in police-involved shootings, particularly within the African American community. The conflicting narratives, coupled with the state's restrictive body camera laws, create a barrier to understanding the full truth of what happened. The families claim that Peoples was shot in the back and that an eyewitness saw no weapon directly challenges the police's justification for the use of deadly force. The public outcry and the community's unwavering demand for the footage reflect a broader desire for systemic change. People want to ensure that such incidents are thoroughly investigated and that justice is served not just for Jabari Peoples, but for all individuals who encounter law enforcement. The lack of immediate contact with the family after the shooting underscores a profound lack of empathy and basic human dignity that often characterizes interactions with marginalized communities. Copyright African Elements.